Hello and welcome back to a rather short devlog on the things I've been up to, because I'm here to announce that I've uploaded a demo of Puppeteer, my procedural animation system, which is a total alternative to Unity's built-in system, Animator. You can play the demo on itch.io and I'll leave a link in the description. Originally, I wanted it to be a demo on Gamefeel, but I ran out of time. There are a few weird quirks with the demo. The web build doesn't particularly like the down-res look, so I disabled it. Grass doesn't work because it relies on GPU compute shaders, and water, I think it doesn't work because of depth textures or some reason, but I didn't really have time to delve too deep into them, and eventually the finished game won't be a web build anyways. Just to clarify, this is more so a demo on my animation system, and less so a demo on Magick Life Sim. In the context of my undergrad capstone project, this project has been pretty confusing for everyone, especially if you don't have a background in game development. I've had to do a lot of explaining of what exactly my project is, how much of my project is provided by Unity, and how much is Puppeteer, and also how much is my long-term game. But soon enough, I won't have to worry about those things, as I'm about to graduate, which is why I haven't uploaded in a minute, as I've been spending far too much time wrapping up everything else of undergrad, but it's been worth it. Going back to school to get my degrees in mathematics and computer science has been really fun, and despite the stress, I wouldn't trade it for the world. In a little more than a week, I'll be walking the stage, and then after that, well, we'll see how things go. But rest assured, Magick Life Sim and the devlogs will continue. I'll talk more about that later when I've got the time and energy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you checked out the demo, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.